Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. You're watching Hema on Happiness and Lifestyle. Bag that I've already used, and this was my first tote from a retail store, like a Michael Kors tote from a retail store. I got this from Macy's actually, and I was looking for a tote bag at that time for a long time. And if you guys remember, I also showed you my pink tote, but I think I had got that in TJ Maxx. Like I had found it in, yeah, TJ Maxx, I think, not Ross. No, TJ Maxx. So that is my pink tote, which is kind of like my everyday tote, like everyday bag I use. So I love that one too. But this is the one I was like eyeing for when I started my Michael Kors collection. And this is really like, for you guys it'll be like old style I'm showing, but I've never done a video on this, so that's the reason I wanted to show you guys. And it is this classic Michael Kors tote, and I actually got this on a little bit sale in Macy's. I have this tag still with me because I usually, all my luxury handbags and all, like this one, Coach, are luxury for me. Those ones, even if I start using them, I always keep this just to know how much I paid and things like that, and if I have to sell it. So this was bought at Macy's, as you can see, and it is the Michael Kors Jet Set EW, okay, East West TZ. I don't know what is TZ. Oh, top zip. Okay, so it's the East West top zip tote leather, and it's a Saffiano leather. So originally 248, but I got it for, and it was on sale for 186. And then I think I used some other coupon over it, because in the end I got it for like $150, I think. But that was still a very pricey bag for me at that time when I bought it. So this is how it looks. Yeah, just like, it's a very nice neutral color. So beautiful. This color is called, what is it called? Dune. DK Dune. That's what it's called. DK Dune. And yeah, it's just the classic Michael Kors. So it has this Michael Kors there, and then the zip has Michael Kors on it. Michael Kors, and then Michael Kors. And then it also has these things here, the legs to make it stand, and they also have Michael Kors written on them. On these round circles, there's Michael Kors written on them. And then even the buckles here, right? Even these have Michael Kors written on one side. Yeah, on one side. If you see very closely, it's written Michael Kors on one side there. So, and then this, I love this one. I don't like the big logo like I showed in the other bag. I think the Ross bag I showed you, that big, my MK logo. I don't like that, but I love this cute small logo. And that's how the design is. And can you remove this buckle thingy? Oh, you can actually remove this. I didn't know that. You can actually remove that if you want, but I like that. It's so cute, and it's attached to this attachment here, and then the simple this thing. And I have actually put it to the last hole here. You can make it to this one if you want a little bit longer. They have this pocket here, but really not that useful. Maybe you can put like a napkin or a pen or something like that, but you really can't put a phone because you can't like try to do that. So this, I think, is more like aesthetic but not really useful. And then inside, pretty much the same as any other bag. Now this bag I've already used. I just kept it because I think, yeah, this year I haven't used it yet. I have not taken it out, but whenever I don't use them, if I know that I'm not going to use them for a long time, what I do is I just remove and keep them, like stuff them and then store it. So then it has this key holder here inside, and then as usual, now you can see in this bag, now this I got at Macy's, right? You see how it's written MK, it is written. It's not like fully spelled Michael Kors. It has that MK, and with that really nice silky material. The material is really good. So most of the time those are the things that I think tell you whether they are um, retail or from outlet. So it has like two two pockets here, and then it has the Michael Kors leather logo right there. Where is that? Yeah, here. The Michael Kors leather logo right there, and then a zip pocket right here, and also it has two pockets like you can see here, and then here and here, two pockets. So two pockets on this side, two pockets on that side, and also a zip. So it's pretty good. And like you can see, it looks like almost new, because I don't know how many times I've used it, but I have used it last year, and I will insert a picture of I think last year my son's birthday also I was like wearing this, so I have some pictures from that. I'll insert that too. So that is my Michael Kors tote, and my initial first Saffiano leather tote actually. Yeah, only after this I actually got the other ones. Like I've showed you guys my, I think, Michael Kors Savannah, the black one. So all the Michael Kors bags I've showed you before, they all came kind of after this. After this I started getting into the Michael Kors collection. Yeah, and then I went crazy. Now I'm not really looking for Michael Kors bags, but I did buy one that I showed you guys from Ross the other day. So yeah, otherwise I'm like more eyeing like Coach bags right now. I love Coach. So there it is, guys. Really simple, but I think this is one of the classy, like this one, the Michael Kors Ava. I think these are all very classic Michael Kors bags. That's it. It's really beautiful. I like the hardware. Looks so good. I bought this so long back, right? It's been like when did I start my YouTube channel? Like, yeah, 2 years back, 3. So it's been like 3 years that I've had this. I've never showed you guys because I wanted to do video one by one, but I never like got to this and I was not using it. So there it is. Let me give you the mod shot. And if anyone is thinking that I have too much orange today, I'd actually taken this ring off. I think it was looking better without the ring. I don't know why I wore it back. Because it's too much orange. Orange here, orange here, orange here, orange lipstick, orange, everything orange. If you think that's too much, guys, you're all wrong, because let me show you what's going on. So let me give you a mod shot of this. I mean, you all know how it looks, so it's not like a big this thing, but okay. So that's how it looks, and that is how the bag looks. So did you guys see that? Yeah, I have my orange shoes on today, so even my shoes are orange. So thank you so much. So that's how it looks, guys. I mean, I would never wear it like this, but I'm just showing it so that it's seen clearly. But that is such a beauty. I love it. It's a nice neutral color. After I got like the other colors, I was like, oh, I think I should just give this away or sell it. But then it has like memories, since it's my first Saffiano bag. So I don't want to sell it. That's it, guys. Thank you so much for watching, and hope you like my bag. Like, I really love this, such a neutral color. It goes with anything, that's what I like. And I will see you guys in my next video, and don't forget to click on the subscribe button. I have 2 more totes coming up. I have this same tote in 2 other colors, and I need content, so I'm doing it as a different video. I didn't want to show it in the same video, so I'll show you. And both, one is kind of like a fall color, like I told you, it's the luggage color, and the other one is a beautiful summer color. I'll show you guys. So thank you so much for watching. Take care, be safe out there, wear your mask, gloves when you go out, and be safe. Clean yourself when you come home really nicely, and always wash your hands. Keep yourself clean. Bye guys, love you all. See you in my next video. Bye guys.